What's up, graphites? Today I want to show you how to make a contact sheet using a Mac and your JPEGs of your patterns. So first thing you want to do is get your patterns onto your Mac. Okay, I've got JPEGs of all my patterns right here. It's super easy in a Mac. Next, you want to make sure that your photos are in your photo app or iPhoto app, photos, I guess. Okay, and once they are in there, it's an old Mac, so it's a little slow. Once you have them in here, so I've got them all right here. I just brought them in all at once. It's super easy. So you just click on one, then hold down Shift, click on the last one to get all 6 of them. If you need to get rid of any photos in between or anything, you can Shift click off of the ones you, or actually Command click off the ones you don't want. So Command click those. But otherwise, you just click on the first one, hold down Shift, click on all of them. Then the next thing you're going to do is go to Print. So Apple P or Command P. Once you go to your printer here, you want to choose 8 by 10. You could try 8.5 by 13, but I think 8 by 10 will be sufficient. So go ahead and do 8 by 10, not borderless. You just want to do 8 by 10, but you do want a border. Also, you want to go down to captions here. Now, normally these won't be selected. So once you go in and you choose 8 by 10, you won't see any captions on here. So if you go down to captions here and click, you're going to want to choose title. So select title, click OK, and you'll notice here that they're all labeled based on what you called them. That's exactly what I want to see there. So here you can adjust your margins any way that you'd like. Just make sure you put a little space between them. As far as columns go, you can blow those up if you want, make them larger like that. In fact, I would prefer that if you did that so I could see them really well. So columns, let's do three columns, margins 0.2, something like that. And then what you do is you choose print. Okay, so it's like you're printing, but instead of printing it, you're going to go down to PDF and choose Save as PDF. And you'll name this whatever it is that the assignment is. So we're going to call it a 12-your last name, or I'll do my last name in this case. And I'll save it right back to my folder, JPEGs of patterns. Go ahead and just click Save. Okay, and now I should be able to go to this folder, JPEGs of patterns. And my contact sheet is there. So double click on it so you can look at it to make sure it looks okay. And there it is. And so that's what I'll be looking at when I grade it. So it'll be 12-your last name, and I should be able to see your patterns clearly and zoom in on them if I need to. So basically, that's how you create a contact sheet in Apple's app for photos.